I'm definitely not the naturalist, most natural person on earth. Hey lovebugs, it's your girl DizastrousBeauty coming back with the voiceover. So this unit was sent to me by Nadula Hair. Shout out to you, Nadula, for sending me this unit. This unit, as you guys can see, I'm showing you guys the cap construction. It does come with 2 combs in the front, 1 comb in the back with adjustable straps. This is a T4/613 colored unit, and it is a body wave wig. Now it was wet because, child, them towels over on the floor. Don't mind you, your girl is not junky. I just was trying to keep my floor from getting wet with the hair. That's what the hair was. Don't judge me, sis. But anyways, I did try to tone this wig with some purple shampoo, but I don't believe I left it in long enough because it was still a lot of yellow in it, but it did tone some. But child, I got scared and I took it out, but we'll talk more about that later on in the outro portion of this video. So if you're interested in any more details and specs and other good stuff about this unit, then please continue to watch, and I will see you lovebugs in the outro. Bye. So I am obviously finished styling this wig, and this is what I got. If you are interested in the details, the specs, and all that good stuff about this unit, then please continue to watch. Okay, so this unit was sent to me by Nadula Hair. Shout out to you, Nadula, for sending me this unit. I really do appreciate it. This unit is Nadula human hair wig. It says 150% density, ombre, blonde pre-plucked lace front wig. It comes in 13x4, 13x6, and it also comes in a 360 lace frontal wig, and the color is T4/613, and the texture is a body wave unit. I'm trying to see if they have any more details about it on here, but that is honestly all the details that I see. Okay, so I am thinking, let me look at the little paper. Okay, so I don't know the length of this wig right now. I would say it's probably 22 to 24 inches. It could be longer, could be shorter, child, but that's kind of like me guessing. I would say that this wig is 150% density, and I think that's the only density that this wig comes in. And I think it's a 13x4. Like, that is, all of that is just me like speculating. Minus the density and the color, child, I don't even know, okay? But I think it is that's just how I feel. Okay, so with this unit, I did tone it in purple shampoo. It was a lot more yellow. Honestly, I probably should let it sit a little more, but I didn't. It is a 613 unit, and as you guys know, 613s do come more on the yellow side, and I'll just like kind of have a comparison just so you guys can see like how yellow it is, and you know, just kind of dipping it in the purple shampoo what it did. But it does come as a 613, and all 613s are like on the yellow side. As far as shedding and tangling with this wig, like honey, the hair was so, when I took this hair out of the packaging, it was super soft. There were no tangles whatsoever. The hair looked so nice that I really did not want to wet her. I didn't. It just looked so nice straight out of the packaging. So I did anyway, but the hair was soft. See, no tangles. I think that's it. As far as it being big head friendly, if I'm not mistaken, this wig is like a one cap fits all. Like it only comes in the average cap size. I do feel like it is big head friendly. I feel like you can make it work if your head is smaller, but if your head is bigger, I still think that you can make this wig work. And the hairline is obviously it's transparent lace, and that's what that looks like. So yeah, it looks like that. And I always love transparent lace. With 613, all of their lace is like that, like it's gonna be transparent no matter what. This unit did come pre-plucked, as you guys could see. And that is pretty much it, y'all, as far as the cap construction and all that good stuff. I'm gonna go ahead and let you guys see how long this hair is on me, and then we can get into how I feel about this unit. So this is where the hair comes on me. Keep in mind I am 5'4". But the hair comes to me in the back. So that is that as far as details and specs. Now, if you're interested in how I feel, do I like it, do I think she's a look, all of that good stuff about this unit, then please continue to watch. Okay, so honestly, I love the hair. The hair I love. I do wish I would have let it tone a little bit more, and I think I am. I think I'm actually, I have some Wella toner in there, and I think I'm gonna maybe use that and tone it some more and get more of a whitish type look. But I love the hair. I think as far as 613 hair goes, this is really, really nice, because in my opinion, 613 hair can be, you know, it can be a little, you know. But yeah, as far as 613 hair goes, I think it is really, really nice. Like, I have no complaints with it. It's soft. It's not shedding all over the place. Did I say this wig didn't shed? It does shed some. Let me take that back. It does shed some, but it's not just like shedding everywhere. So I love that about this wig. I like that even though it is long, it is still like full. It is 150% density, but it still has like a full look to it. I love it. I think that this wig is really, really nice, and I think it's going to be even nicer once I tone it once more. I love that it's T4 613 and not 1B, because I feel like that's a huge contrast. I love when a wig is brown to blonde instead of black to blonde, you know what I mean? So I love that. I love that ombre with this wig, and yeah, I have no complaints. I think she's a look. I think she's a vibe, girl. Let me know down below what you guys think. Now, as far as what I used on her, other than the purple shampoo that I didn't leave on it long enough because I freaked out, and the, what else did I use? I used my thermal heat guard, and to when I curled it. Other than that, I didn't use anything else. So that is pretty much it. So yeah, I'm feeling it. I think it's a look. Let me know what you guys think. Let me know what you use on your 613 units. Let me know what you think about the brown roots. I do want to mention that these roots are throughout the entire wig, so that is also a plus. I know a lot of people don't like when the roots are just in the front. This one is throughout the entire wig. And yeah, so now I'm gonna go ahead and give you guys a full 360, and we can wrap this thing all the way up. So this is obviously the unit in the front. This is it on the left side. This is it in the back. And this is it on the right side. So once again, let me know what you guys think. Let me know if you're feeling it. Do you like it? Let me know down below. If you're interested in this wig, I will have a direct link to it listed down below in the description box for your convenience. Once again, shout out to you, Nadula. And yeah, y'all, that is it. So if you like this video, give me a thumbs up. If you have any questions, something you feel like I may have left out, feel free to comment down below. And if you're not already subscribed, sis, click the subscribe button. And if you're not already, follow me on all my social media platforms. I am Disastrous Beauty on both IG and Facebook. I'm held to Miss C on Snapchat, and I'm Disastrous B on Twitter. And I will see you love bugs next time.